How to remove and clean Whitehall's ligature-resistant toilet seat cover. You will need the spanner key and 3/32 Allen key that is included with the hardware package. You will also need a spray bottle of cleaning solution, a damp sponge, and a dry soft cloth or microfiber towel. Pause the video here to read a list of recommended cleaning materials and solutions to avoid. With the provided spanner key, remove the security nut from the carriage bolt that holds the ligature-resistant toilet seat in place. While pressing down on the bolt from the top side of the seat, turn the spanner key counterclockwise to remove the security nut. Once the bolt is removed, make sure to place it somewhere safe as not to lose it. After the two bolts are removed, locate the set screw holding the seat to the front side of the toilet bowl. You can remove this screw by turning it counterclockwise using a 5/32 Allen key. You can then remove the toilet seat from the toilet. Simply lift the seat up to remove it. Now we can start the cleaning process. Spray the surface of your toilet with your cleaning solution. Then, gently scrub the toilet with a damp sponge until the surface is clean. Wring out your sponge or use a separate clean and damp sponge to wipe away any excess cleaning solution. Then, use your soft cloth or microfiber towel to thoroughly dry the toilet. Make sure to check that the toilet is completely dry before moving on to the next step. Now to clean the ligature-resistant toilet seat. Flip the toilet seat over to clean the underside of the seat. Spray the solution onto the seat and gently scrub the surface with your damp sponge. Wipe away any excess solution and then thoroughly dry the seat with your soft cloth or microfiber towel. To reinstall the ligature-resistant toilet seat, start by threading the set screw into the front of the seat until it is flush with the front of the orifice. Set the seat onto the top of the toilet, then press down on the top front of the seat while using a 5/32 Allen key to tighten the set screw to the bowl. Once completely tightened, check the installation by trying to lift the front of the seat from the toilet. Then, take the two security nuts and bolts and fasten the rear of the seat to the toilet. First, thread the security nuts by hand by turning them clockwise on the bolt. Then use the spanner key to make sure that they are tightly fastened. Make sure to double check the installation by trying to lift the seat from the bowl. This concludes our how-to guide. You can locate our cleaning and care instructions on our website at www.whitehallmfg.com. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact the field service team.